everyone, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. And those who are new out here, my name is Srijana Chettri, and in this channel we will be dealing with grammar lessons. Okay, so in the last video we have talked about letters, we have talked about alphabet and also the definition of sentences. So in this video we will be dealing further sentences. So without wasting time, let's get started. So in my last video I have explained you the definition. So let us recall that a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Sentence ke ho, sentence group of words ho that makes a complete sense. For example, I love to watch movies. They are playing football. This too group of words which I have just said is a sentence. Why? Because it is giving a complete sense. Example number 1, I love to watch movies. यानी कि मलाई movie हेर्नु मन पर्छ. And number 2, they are playing football. उनीहरू फुटबल खेल्दैछ. That means this sentence or group of words is giving you a complete sense. Okay. So now let us understand it deeply. That means your sentence is group of words. Let us understand it deeply. So group of words has 3 main characteristics. Number 1 characteristics, it expresses a complete ideas or a thoughts. यानी कि जो group of words छ यसले हामीलाई चाहिँ एउटा complete ideas या फिर thoughts express गराउँछ. For example, bag have a eye. मैले एउटा सेन्टेन्स ग्रुप अफ वर्ड्स भने बैग हैव अ आई. सो यसले तपाईहरुलाई के मिनिङ दिँदैछ? नो, इट इज नॉट गिभिङ यु एनी मिनिङ. बट इफ मैले यसलाई अरेन्ज्ड इन सच अ वे दैट इट गिव्स अ कम्प्लिट मिनिङ. सपोज मैले यसलाई यस्तो प्रकारले अरेन्ज गरेर जसले के मिनिङ भन्दैछ. लाइक आई हैव अ बैग. सो इट मीन्स यो के भयो? एउटा कम्प्लिट सेन्स भयो बिकज आई हैव अ बैग. मेरोमा एउटा बैग छ. It means मेरोमा एउटा बैग छ नि त हैन. That means this is giving you a sense. So a group of words arranged in such a way that gives you a meaning के भयो? हाम्रो सेन्टेन्स भयो. एन्ड यो मिनिङले यो सेन्टेन्सेसले के एक्सप्रेस गर्दैछ? एउटा कम्प्लिट आइडिया एक्सप्रेस गर्दैछ. That's why first characteristics के हो? एक्सप्रेस कम्प्लिट आइडियाज और thoughts. Number 2 characteristics के हो? A sentence or group of words must have a subject and a verb. के हुनुपर्छ? एउटा सब्जेक्ट र वर्ब प्रेजेन्ट हुनुपर्छ सेन्टेन्समा. फर इक्जाम्पल, तान्या इज प्लेइङ. सो यो सेन्टेन्स हेर्नुहोस्, तान्या तपाईको सब्जेक्ट भयो, इज योर हेल्पिङ वर्ब एन्ड प्लेइङ इज योर मेन वर्ब. सो सिन्स यो सेन्टेन्समा के छ? सब्जेक्ट एन्ड वर्ब इज प्रेजेन्ट. सो दिस इज अ सेन्टेन्स. अब नेक्स्ट सेन्टेन्स यस्तो पनि हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स, यस्तो सेन्टेन्स पनि हुन्छ जहाँ चाहिँ सब्जेक्ट इज हिडन. यस्तो सेन्टेन्स पनि हुन्छ जहाँ सब्जेक्ट हिडन हुन्छ, बट दैट डजन्ट मीन कि त्यो सेन्टेन्स हैन. फर एक्जाम्पल, चेक आउट दिस एक्जाम्पल, कम डाउन. दिस इज अ सेन्टेन्स. यहाँनिर सब्जेक्ट इज हिडन एन्ड दैट हिडन सब्जेक्ट इज यू. YOU, यू यहाँनिर हिडन छ. कम डाउन मीन्स यू कम डाउन. सो यहाँनिर सब्जेक्ट इज हिडन. सो समटाइम्स योर सब्जेक्ट इज हिडन इन अ सेन्टेन्स. ओके. And number 3 characteristic, third characteristics is a sentence जुन चाहिँ छ that meanings may differ according to its expression को अनुसारमा sentence को meaning change हुनु सक्छ. Okay, that expression could be of statement, it may be of question, command or exclamation, and according to this expression sentences are further divided into different parts. Okay, ये expression को हिसाब में sentence has been divided into different parts. So the types of sentences we will not cover in this video. We will discuss about this in the upcoming video. Okay, so your video ma I have just explained you sentence ko bare ma, and then I have given you examples also and the characteristics of group of words also. So this much for today. And the main important thing you have to remember in this topic is that sentences always starts with capital letter. Do not forget it. Sentences always start with capital letter. This much for today, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And as you all know that it doesn't take any cost, so please do support, like, share and subscribe my channel. In the next video we will be dealing with types of sentences. So in this video we have just talked about sentences only, its characteristics. So in the next video which will be uploaded soon, and that will be of types of sentences. Okay, so thank you everyone, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel.